Reading Uni weather.
Hello everybody and Happy New Year to you all. It's a very windy day for everywhere over the UK today, with the Met Office putting out a yellow warning for wind and snow over Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. It will be a rainy start over Southern England as well, with the rain potentially turning into snow as the day progresses. We could see for last night that there was very tight packing of isobars over the entirety of the UK, which is what was bringing these powerful winds last night. 15 to 20 miles an hour over England and getting up to about 30 miles per hour over Scotland, with gusts of up to 55 miles an hour over the course of the night. And we see into this morning, these occluded fronts here over Scotland are what are bringing in the majority of this snowfall for which the Met Office have put out their yellow warning. And this frontal system here over tracking up over the English Channel is what is primarily going to bring the heavy rainfall over southern England today. Over this afternoon we can see that band of heavy rainfall over southern England here, which will potentially turn into snow as temperatures drop into this evening. A little bit drier over northern England and parts of Wales, and then those bands of snow from the occluded fronts can be seen here, with heavy snowfall possible or quite likely over Scotland and northern England. Some potentially falling as rain over the Highlands of Scotland and the Outer Hebrides. Temperature-wise, pretty normal for the time of year, ranging from 1 to 5 degrees Celsius possible down in the southeast. Pretty normal for the time of year, but with that wind factor, it's probably going to feel below freezing pretty much anywhere in the country today. Into tonight, those bands of snow will continue to track eastwards across the country, with some snowfall possibly happening over the Midlands and northern England and parts of Scotland as well, perhaps falling as sleet up here as well. It's going to be pretty cloudy as well for most of parts of eastern England, with some clear skies possible over southern England, and this will persist over the course of the night, with some fresh rainfall and snow possibly falling over Scotland into the early hours of this morning. Temperatures, again, pretty average for the time of year, down to freezing possibly in southeast England, down to 2 or 3 Celsius over most of the country, a little bit milder over Wales and southeast England, down to 5 Celsius. For tomorrow, those isobars will continue to remain pretty tightly packed as they were today, so it's going to be another pretty windy day, but this time the air is primarily coming from the Arctic, which is going to bring colder and drier air for much of the country, which means things should be a little bit wetter, a little bit less wet and a little bit sunnier today, particularly for England and Wales, with sunny spells possible over much of the country tomorrow. Some snow showers are still possible over Scotland over tomorrow afternoon, but on the whole it should be a much drier day compared to today. Pretty similar story temperature-wise as well, 3-4 Celsius over England, possibly 6 down in the southwest, 1 or 2 Celsius up in Scotland. For Reading into this weekend, it's going to be a pretty sunny start. Cloud gradually rolling in over the course of the weekend, with some some rainfall possible over Sunday, remaining a little bit less windy than it was today and for tomorrow, with temperatures again pretty consistent from today and tomorrow as well. Have a good day. Thank you.
Reading Uni weather.